Hello. In this video, you will learn how to install Quantower trading platform, as well as connect to the necessary broker, exchange, or data provider. First, go to the official website quantower.com and click the download button. Currently, the platform is available only for the operating system Windows 7 and Windows 10. Click on the Get Quantower button to download the version for the 64-bit system. If you have a 32-bit system, please use the link below. Once you downloaded the platform, launch the exe file. Specify the installation path and click the Extract button. Please note, Quantower does not copy its files to the system folders, nor does write changes to the system registry. What does it mean? The program doesn't violate the integrity of the system, and in case of removal, it will not leave any prints of its presence on your computer. Quantower's installer literally extracts files to the user-specified folder. This approach allows you to store the Quantower on a removable drive for use on any other computer as the portable application. Once an extraction process is finished, the platform will start automatically with an active connection to Binance Exchange and with the default workspace. This workspace contains various panels such as chart, watchlist, market heatmap, orders and positions, time and sales, market depth panels. All these panels are combined into a single panel called Bind. More details about each of these panels will be discussed in other videos. To connect to other brokers, exchanges, or data providers, open the Connection Manager by clicking on any connection on the main toolbar. Select the desired connection from the list. For example, select Rhythmic and specify the type of connection: demo or real. Enter your login and password, enable or disable Save Password, and click Connect. You can place any connection to the main toolbar by clicking on the star icon. This will allow you to see the connection status and its ping. Once you have configured the connection, select the required instrument from the symbol lookup or type a ticker manually. Quantower supports multiple connections to different brokers and exchanges, as well as the simultaneous use of several accounts within one broker. Click on the plus icon to create an additional connection. Specify the name, enter your credentials, and start using it. Thanks for watching. For more information about other features, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website, quantower.com.